Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, please. Click the like button. Comment if you want. Please enjoy the show. So we're gonna fix the starter button, which is which one there? That one there. We're gonna take it out and try and fix it. So there's the button, and you can see it's serviceable. So I'm gonna loosen those clips and take it apart and see if I can fix it. And there we have the casing, the button. You can see how dirty it is. The spring-loaded contact point. I presume those contacts there I need to clean, and then those contacts I need to clean to make it work again. There, I think there's a fault there. So furthermore, when I engage it, it doesn't go all the way down. So what I did is I shoved some shit in there just to make it a spacer of it. And now if I assembled it, you can hear the multimeter. Let go of the button, push the button, push the button, and it's back in. Moment of truth. Remember, the coil and the pump is disconnected, so it's not going to start. But button is working again. Yippee! It's been a couple of days. Let's see what happens. I forgot to put the choke on. Let's just connect the choke quickly first. Our fancy choke mousse. Push it in there. Shit, I forgot to open the door. Nice and smoky in there, eh? Ish. Let's see if these fit. Seems to fit in there. This one is a bit more tight. Oh shit. So we couldn't get these globes, these little globes, at any spare shop in this little town of ours. We actually got them from a hardware shop. Like, what do you call it? A DIY shop, not a AutoZone kind of shop. Let's see if they work. I think it's that one there. No, it's not that one there. It's this first one there. So now now you check. This one's not coming on. This one's not coming on. Why ain't you coming on? You have to check why this one's not coming on. Maybe because it needs a bit of cleaning there. Let's clean it. So we've put all brand new fuses, and the car's been standing for a couple of weeks again. So battery on. Ignition. So connecting the battery. So after days of fiddling inside of there, I can't get that thing out. I got a new globe in it, and hopefully it works. Hold thumbs, people. So that one works, that one works, that one works, and that one works. Yes. And final look, we've got all 4 working. Next up, those 2. They're not working, but they also need globes now. There's no globes in them. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time.